Namaskar. Welcome to your daily current affairs revision for competitive exams. This content is based on verified news sources. I am going to cover 7 important topics in the next 8 minutes. Let us dive right in. What are the major schemes approved by PM Modi at his new office? Prime Minister Narendra Modi has approved the PM Rahat scheme, doubling the target of Lakpati Didis to 6 crores. The Agriculture Infrastructure Fund doubled to 2 lakh crore rupees and the Startup India Fund of Funds 2.0 with a corpus of 10,000 crore rupees. The schemes aim to benefit women, farmers, youth, and vulnerable citizens. This topic is relevant for GS2, Polity and Social Justice. It covers government schemes and their impact on society. Key takeaways: PM Rahat Scheme for Accident Victims, Agriculture Infrastructure Fund for Farmers, Startup India Fund of Funds 2.0 for Entrepreneurs. How is the government supporting farmers through the Agriculture Infrastructure Fund? The government has created an Agriculture Infrastructure Fund to ensure safe storage of farmers' produce. The fund has been doubled to 2 lakh crore rupees. The fund aims to strengthen India's entire agriculture value chain. This topic is relevant for GS3, Economy. It covers government initiatives for agricultural development. Key takeaways: Agriculture Infrastructure Fund for safe storage, doubling of the fund to 2 lakh crore rupees, strengthening of agriculture value chain. What is the 3I framework for rural transformation? The 3I framework includes initiatives such as drone training for women, custom hiring centers, primary processing centers, warehouse, and cold storage units. The framework aims to empower women and enhance farmers' income. This topic is relevant for GS3, Economy. It covers rural development and women's empowerment. Key takeaways: drone training for women, custom hiring centers for farmers, primary processing centers for rural development. How is AI being used in healthcare? AI is being used in healthcare for tasks such as summarizing patient records and making clinical data more accessible. The use of AI in healthcare poses challenges such as algorithmic bias and digital divide. This topic is relevant for GS3, Science and Technology. It covers AI applications and challenges. Key takeaways: AI for patient record summarization, challenges of algorithmic bias, digital divide in AI adoption. What is the Birakardiai Fund for the bioeconomy sector? The Birakardiai Fund is a 2,000 crore fund for high-impact biotechnology innovations under the Government of India's 1 lakh crore RDI initiative. The fund aims to boost the biotech sector and drive the next phase of industrial growth. This topic is relevant for GS3, Science and Technology. It covers government initiatives for biotechnology development. Key takeaways: Birakardiai Fund for Biotechnology, RDI Initiative for Industrial Growth, Biotech Sector Development. What is the employment outcome of the PM Daksh scheme? Less than half of the students trained under the PM Daksh scheme between 2021 and 2024 were placed. The scheme aims to provide skills to candidates from scheduled castes, other backward castes, and denotified tribes. This topic is relevant for GS2, Social Justice. It covers government schemes for social welfare. Key takeaways: PM Daksh scheme for skill development. Less than half of trainees got jobs. Scheme aims to benefit SC, BC, and DNT candidates. What are the implications of the India-United States bilateral trade agreement? The agreement has been announced, but the details are yet to be finalized. The US has made several claims about the agreement, including India's commitment to stop buying Russian oil and buy more oil from the US. The agreement poses concerns about the impact on India's economy and trade relationships. This topic is relevant for GS2 international relations. It covers bilateral trade agreements and their implications. Key takeaways: India's bilateral trade agreement. Concerns about the agreement's impact on India's economy. Claims about India's commitment to stop buying Russian oil. That's all for today's current affairs. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for daily updates. All the best for your preparation.